Hi guys,
Hi.
how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Good. How was the homework? Did you have any questions? That's the first thing I'll ask.
Miss
Okay,
Miss Priya, like 3 or 4 questions.
what is it now? We will go ahead. Wait. We will go ahead with it. Prisha, did you have any questions as well?
Yeah, I had one question or that.
Sure, ma. Avyukt, nice to see you. But I would like to have all your videos on. There's no point in not seeing, right?
I wasn't able to finish the homework.
Was it too much, Riyanka? You
Yeah,
had a
I
break.
did
but
around like 40 questions.
but that is good. That is good. But you know what? You had a break as well, I thought.
Huh?
Good morning. No, good evening.
No, you had a
Hours?
break. You had a break as well, I thought.
I thought that was last week.
That was last week. Oh,
I don't
see.
know. I forgot, but cuz like during the break, I think during the break I had to go to like a dance recital. So like it was like the entire day, so I tried to do all of it, but I
Wait, Miss
couldn't.
Priya, I
Yeah.
couldn't do it because during the break, I had to go to I went to the beach, and then after that, I completely forgot that I even had the homework.
Oh my God, that's scary to me. Very
Miss
honestly.
Priya.
Time I will do it.
I finished everything.
You finish everything. See, that's good to know. Okay.
Miss Priya.
I
Yeah,
couldn't
go ahead.
the homework.
I was like sick for like some of the time, so I was not able to finish, but I like finished to like page 24. I was not able to, but like I worked on like every single day after I got better. Like I watched the what you call class and then started the homework. But
Yes.
for the longest time I was sick, so I had like a little late start, so I couldn't finish all the homework.
But whatever you do, you submit, right? Did you do it?
I what do you call it? Mailed you, but you didn't say anything back, so I just kept working on it after the.
No, you don't have to ask, right? Then I always tell you. Why should I tell you? You should always submit whatever you have, right?
Okay.
That is required out of you. You got it?
Okay.
Arush is not going to attend today, I know.
Miss Priya,
Okay. Yeah, ma.
for me.
Prisha, 1 minute, ma. Danvi is present, Sanvi is present, Anish is present. Ishan, are you present? Yes, and Avyut is present. Okay. Okay. Let's get going, guys. I'm going to share the screen. You can let me know what questions you have. I need to go to your classroom, right? Okay. So here is the one I'm going to share. Avyukt, you don't have the Google Classroom, right, Avyukt? Do you have the Google Classroom code, Avyukt?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me give it to you. Should I give it to your mom or you?
You can give it to my mom after class.
Okay, no. Okay. Go ahead, guys. What's your question?
Can you give me the Google Classroom code? I'm on a new computer.
Oh, you want it? Okay. Okay. Okay, let me quickly give it to you. To your mom or you?
Me.
Oh, to you I have to give? Okay. In this chat
No,
window.
like, can you share it in send it in chat? Yeah.
Yep. Can we go ahead now? What are the questions you have? I'm here to help you. Go ahead, guys.
Miss Priya, I have a question on 24, 28, and 29.
24, 28, and 29. 24. Okay. What is your question, Nirad? Nice to see you asking questions. What is your question here? Tell me.
Like I didn't get it.
What is the measure of h, right? If they're similar, right, what happens? 9 by 6. See, this I start from here. 9 by 6 is the same as 15 by h, right, Avyukt? Right, Anirudh?
Yeah.
So how do you do this? The the butterfly pattern works, right? So 9 times h is 9h equal to 15 times 6. Divide by 9, divide by 9, h will be equal to what? 6 inches. Wait. Something is amiss. Hold on. I'm not getting the same thing. Hold on. See, 12 by 8. 12 by 8 is what actually?
Can I explain this one? Because I did it in a different way.
Can you wait? Then can we finish on the board and then you can talk? When I talk, you don't talk. But I welcome you to explain. But can you please hold on a minute?
Okay.
Okay. So 9 by 6, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the ratio. So 3 by 2 will be equal to 15 by h. So that will be equal to h will be equal to 30 by 3, 10 inches. Go ahead, Danvi.
So what I did, give me a second. So what I did was, I first put a ratio between 9 and 6. So it would be 6. So 6 to 9, and 6 to 9 is times 1.5. So if I know that, it also works for 8 and 12.
Good job.
So what I just did is 15 divided by 1.
1.5. Very good job. Okay.
Auntie, can you do 48?
I will do, Ma, but Anirudh, did you get it? The ratio of the C. When the figures are similar, the sides are proportional, meaning what? When you have a multiplier to this 9, you will get this. Similarly, if you have the same multiplier to this, you will get this. So basically, how did you get 6 inches? See, 9 by 6. That's why the ratios are equal. 9 divided by 6. The bigger trapezoid side divided by the smaller trapezoid side will be equal to height of the bigger by the smaller. Now here, since there are two ratios that are equal, you call it a proportion. In proportion, you can cross multiply. Cross multiplication strategy works very nicely. See, now divide by 9, divide by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 6 and 2, 10 inches. Any questions on this?
No.
Go ahead.
I have questions on
43.
Can we do
Priyanka.
48?
48, yes. I'll come whatever questions you have, will do, Ma. Okay, how about this? That's the same thing. See, I told you last week, right? You have to go by the order A, B, F, G, B, C is similar to G, H. Similar means the sides, the ratio of their sides are proportional. You can equate the ratio of their sides. What is the measure of GH they've asked? Which is GH?
Can I explain, please?
You want to explain? Go ahead.
Yes. Can you write it down for me?
Sure.
Okay. So you see the bigger, or whatever shape that is, like the irregular shape. At the bottom, point JI, has 6 centimeters, and then when you see it over there, it's for ED, it's 3. So
ED. See ED, the 2.
yeah,
IJ. Good job.
yeah. So then I did 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So
So
then
you started from here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you started from the big one. Okay.
and then
So what is
and
this? Let's say X.
since I got 2, I multiply my 2 with 4. With BC 4.
Good job.
So that's how I got 8.
Nice are now. So instead of that, what we can do? We can set up proportion. Ratio of their sides are equal, right? 3 divided by 6. The last two letters. See, I started from the smaller trapezoid. Similarly, for the other side that they want me to find out, right? I have to start from the smaller side. 4 divided by GH. Cross multiplication works, right? 3 times GH equal to 24. Divide by 3, GH equal to 8 centimeter. Did you guys get it? Avyukt, are you following Avyukt?
Miss Priya.
1 minute. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Yes, ma. What other questions?
Just give me a second. I think I had a question on 41.
41. Okay, what is your question here? Okay, okay, okay. Who was this? 1 minute, ma. Well, who is this? Can
Done.
I? Huh? Danvi. Danvi, can we skip this question?
Okay.
I really appreciate you guys coming up with the question on this one. Yesterday we solved in the other class, okay? The problem with this question is you cannot directly solve until you know about 60, 90, 30 triangles, which is not in scope of grade 7. Okay, so please, I request you to skip this one problem. Can I ask you that? Sorry about it.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I have 3 more questions from Dhruv. Okay, go ahead, Anirudh.
I still have 2 questions on 28 and 29.
28 and 29. I'll come back, Dhruv, okay? Okay, who can explain this? Measure of F. Who can explain? Dhruv, do you want to explain this question? Or Prisha or Sanvi, can you explain? See, D, E, F means D is the same as A. E is the same as B. F is the same as C. So now, yeah, go ahead.
I can explain. So
Go.
basically, if there's like a square for the angle, it means it's 90 degrees. And every triangle has 180 degrees.
Good
So
job.
90 plus 40 is 130.
Mm-hmm.
And 180 minus 130 is 60. So 60 is the measure of F should be 60.
F, C, the last letter. F should be the measure of C, 60. Any questions?
Wait, but
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma, go ahead.
Oh wait, I think it's 50. My bad.
50, yeah,
I've
okay.
observed this in a
Sorry.
lot.
Yes, I also did not see 50, correct. Yes, ma, tell me.
I observed in a lot of questions. It tells you in one triangle. It tells you like all the angles, and then it asks you like the angles for the other one. So I was wondering because I always thought all the angles would be congruent because similarity means same shape, different size, but it would count at the same angle. So I was just like checking if that was like actually true.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead, ma.
I have 29.
You have question on?
29.
29. But there are 3 more questions from Dhruv. I will solve Dhruv. Please be patient with me. Okay. Anirudh, you can answer your own question, I feel, right now. We have discussed enough. So can you compare these 2 triangles, Anirudh? Come on. Compare, Anirudh, the sides. QR is proportional. Proportional means there's always a multiplier that I can multiply. It can be a fraction or it can be a number to get this side NM. So here they're asking for MP, right? So when you look at MP, it is proportional to what side? RS.
Take your legs off of my chair.
This is a little tricky here. When you look at it, they're asking for MP. MP is proportional to RS. So we need to make a note of this. Okay, so the ratio I will do is 6 by MP. Okay, but again, I need something else to solve this problem, right? Which side do I know? Oh my God, we don't know any of the sides. 1 minute, guys, that seems so incorrect to me.
Isn't it congruent? Like the
Oh yeah,
symbol?
yes, good job, guys. Very nice. It is congruent.
That's what I did. Like I
Yeah.
kept it the same because they were congruent.
Yeah, I thought it was congruent.
Okay, let's move on. So now, what does it mean? Congruent means exactly the same. What is exactly same? QR. See, basically 6. See, RS is congruent to MP. So RS is the same as MP. You see? The last two letters. 6 inches.
Was it?
Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Don't go by the figure,
Miss Priya.
guys. Go by this one.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma, go
I had a
ahead.
question on 6.
I had a question on 6. This one?
Yeah.
I think you can answer this, Ishan, yourself. Tell
Wait.
me.
I originally had a question in the very beginning, like when I started the homework, but as soon as I like realized, like
Wait, no.
I kind of
This
figured
is
it out.
this is
1
the
minute.
wrong question. I
Then
have to
we,
check which
the,
one's the right question.
then we can I let Ishan talk? Ishan, please
This
go ahead.
one's the wrong question. Let me check which one I had a question on.
Okay.
Miss Priya, can I explain something?
Wait, Amma, 1 minute. Let me move on to his question. This is not a question, looks like. Okay, 50, 51, I'm going to go. Because for want of time only, please, guys, don't mistake
It
me.
doesn't
Okay,
seem like I have a question actually.
50. Okay, how about this? Who wants to explain this? PQR is similar.
Can I explain that?
PQR is similar to XYZ. How do you do this?
Okay, can I explain, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, these are right.
Yeah.
So okay. So PQR is similar.
QR is the last 2 letters.
Okay.
Hmm.
So find
Can we write the proportion first? QR,
yeah.
the ratio QR and YZ will be equal to what? QR by YZ will be equal
So
to.
I started with the big triangle, so I did 8 divided by 5.
You did 8 divided by 5. Okay, he started with the big triangle. Okay, 8 divided by 5. Y, XY, he took XY and PQ. Okay, 8 divided by 5 will be equal to what?
8 divided by 5 would be equal to 1.6.
Wait, Amma. What is the proportion? What is the next set I can equate? YZ by QR, right? This is what I need, right? This I have. So 6 by X. Cross multiply. 8 times X will be equal to 6 times 5. X will be equal to 30 by 8, 15 by 4. That's the answer. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Dhruv, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, this one I want whom to explain? Prisha to explain.
Okay. So, should I draw? It's not letting me draw.
Yeah.
So just
Auntie,
draw.
can
Ma,
I
go.
explain one after this?
Absolutely, ma. Go ahead,
Same.
Prisha.
So it's asking for the length, and basically what you have to do is you do 9 over 15. Like for the proportion, you write 9 over 15, and then you do 6 over x, or like a variable, and then you cross multiply.
Okay, we'll do, ma. Which one you did, ma? Please explain why are you doing it as well. 6, so yeah, you have to find EF, right? EF is the last 2 letters. Okay, I'm going to approve your remote control for a while. Go ahead.
Okay.
You want to, but that's not the way to do it. Since it's you, it's okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so when you're doing when you're trying to find a side, since it's AB, I mean, since it's we're looking for EF, where since the last 2 letters are BC, that's the side that we're like connecting it to. So first, you'll do AC, which is the first and the last letter, so that's 9. And then you'll do DF, like under that.
I can do it for you.
Yeah.
AC, you're comparing AC and DF. Let me write it down. Okay, so that will be equal to what, ma? Whatever you need to find, right?
Yeah.
BC by EF. So let
Yeah.
me substitute. AC is what? 9. DF is what?
15.
15. BC is what? 6. EF is what you don't know that you need to find. So cross multiply. 9 times EF will be equal to 6 times 15, right?
And
so
you can
divide by 9, divide by 9. 3,
and you can
5,
simplify it.
10, ma.
Yeah.
Any questions? Dhruv, now you got it, Dhruv. I'm not going to solve 52 because it's exactly the same.
Okay, thank you.
But did you get it? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did I clarify your doubt? Okay. Okay. Now, what other questions you all have?
Can I explain one?
Oh, you want to explain something?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Anish also wanted to explain, you wanted to explain.
I
So
also
I have
wanted to explain, Miss Priya.
okay, then I'm taking your request as well. Okay. I really want you guys to explain and make it more interactive, which is very nice. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you harder problems, okay, in similarity. What are they doing in school, Prisha, for you?
We were working last week on net worth, assets, and liabilities, and right now we're learning simple interest and compound interest.
Okay. See, that's something I want to get going with. Simple interest, compound interest is important. Okay, you all understood as much as I know. I understand you understood the concept of similarity, correct? So let me go ahead and ask you something. Okay, whatever multiplication factor you apply, right, that is called the scale factor. Whatever multiplication factor you apply, right, that is called the scale factor. Now, I'm going to quiz you on this. Let me see. Do you see figure? There are two triangles. You can draw the triangles if you want to. Okay. Now, I have been given a triangle QRS. Okay. I'm drawing FGH. Now, think about it well. Okay. When I can either make it bigger or smaller. That's what is all about it, right? In similar triangles, the new triangle can be bigger or smaller. When you make it smaller, the multiplication number with which you multiply is going to be a fraction because you're going to decrease the size. If you want to increase the size, automatically what happens? The multiplication number which you multiply, the multiplier is very big, huge, greater than 1, right? Then only you can make a triangle bigger or bigger. Smaller means the number with which you multiply is going to be a smaller one. Now, my question is, what is that is called the scale factor. Basically, that is called the scale factor. So, what is the scale factor here? I am going from this triangle QRS, I am going to FGH. This is my new triangle. This was given to me. What is the scale factor? Please send it to me in chat.
Is my answer correct? Is my answer correct?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. That is correct. Everybody got it correct till now. So you're all understanding the concept of similarity very well is my thought. Who didn't get it? Avyukt, can I get your answer, Avyukt?
What?
Can I get your answer?
I already typed
Oh yeah, you typed in. Good job. Okay, so basically the concept of Sanvi, you're moving from one triangle to another, right, ma'am? See, QR became FG. How did it become FG, the first two letters? With what number did you multiply, Sanvi? You got it? Got it easy? I know.
Wait, I
Okay.
have a question, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
So if I'm correct, is it basically similarities, but like the answer is basically the number that you're multiplying with?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. The scale factor is the number you multiply it with.
Okay.
Okay, now let me ask you this question. I have been given triangle FGH. Okay. I'm going to draw QRS from it. What is the scale factor now? It's a little tricky, guys.
Miss Priya, I don't really understand the question.
I have been given the triangle FGH. I want to draw the triangle QRS. What is the scale factor? I've been given the triangle FGH. Okay. From that triangle, I'm going to frame QRS. No. I just want a number and the answer. I just want a number in the answer. I don't want anything else. You see, I understand you're trying to explain to me. But you know what? Think well. The question is on the board. Riyanka, that is correct, but that's not the answer. Seema, no. You are given a bigger triangle this time. See, the first time you were given a smaller triangle, I asked you to make it bigger. Now I gave you the bigger triangle. I want to reduce it. So what is the scale factor? Good job, Dhruv. Ishan, can you please type it again?
I'm confused why my answer is wrong.
Is my answer correct?
That is correct, Anirudh. Very nice, Anirudh. What is the number, Danvi? That's right, Anish, but what is the number? Prince, that's correct. Sanvi, it's not 4, right? Sanvi. See, now the side 12 became 3. How did I was given 12? It became 3. How did it become? What was the number I multiplied it with? The scale factor was 1 by
Did I
4.
get it right the first time, Miss Priya?
The answer was 1 by
Miss Priya,
4.
did I get it right?
Guys, I'm telling you the answer. You will know. The scale factor.
Wouldn't it be the same thing if I did divide by 4?
Yeah.
I wanted a number, I said. This is the number. Divided by 4 is not a number.
Wait, then did 0.25 count?
So did -4 count? Does -4 count?
No, -4 doesn't count. Here it is multiplication relationship. See, this is not addition or subtraction relationship. This is multiplication relationship.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma. Go ahead.
so are we instead of going from QRS to FGH, we're going from FGH to QRS, basically.
Correct. We are reducing its size. So the scale factor will be new triangle by the old triangle. 3 by 12, 4 by 16, 5 by 20. You got it? Avyukt, did you get it, ma? Avyukt, that was a question for you.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now I'm going to quiz you. Okay, this one you definitely know already, but please do it slowly. I will check whether anybody is not answering.
Can you move it more to the middle? I can't really see the full question.
Yeah.
Oh, really, ma? How about this?
Okay.
You're able to see now?
Yeah. Okay.
Interesting why you're not seeing, but yeah, I'm glad you're all telling me. Tell me whatever you have problems with, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
what does it mean by justify your answer for if the parameter is proportional to the original one?
Sorry, I accidentally picked a new tab.
Are you needing help, you think? See, basically, Riyanka, that is correct. Sanvi, can you redo? I think you are at it. You know everything, but you are making computation mistake. Prince, that's right. I asked you for the perimeter, Ishan. You have to tell me the perimeter. All your readings are correct. Anish, you are not at all a bad explainer. I can let you explain this. Go ahead and give me the answer. Dhruv, that's correct.
Wait, I'm not. Okay. Okay.
You guys are doing great. Avyukt, very good job.
I kind of am a bad explainer.
Not really. Okay, let you explain now. Ishan, correct.
So, like, the reason why, whenever the proportionalities are the same whenever you, like, multiply by 1.5, is because that, in proportions, it's like fractions. Like, whenever you if you have, like, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 is, like, equivalent to it, right? Even
Correct.
though you change the proportionality.
Correct.
So, like, technically, it's just like that, except the proportionality that you're using is just a decimal instead of a whole number.
Correct. Only when you explain so many times, you will become a better, great explainer. Now itself, you're doing great. Prisha, that's right. But did you also notice that the perimeter was also proportional?
Oh yeah,
Right?
It's interesting. It's interesting to know, right? Yes, that's right, Danvi. But now I have a question to Arnav. What are you doing, Arnav? How did you get that big number?
Wait, one more thing.
Mm.
Also, I just remembered.
Uh,
This is kind of like the
or is
Pythagorean
it?
theorem.
It's
Like
either like 90.
Arnav, what did you do, Arnav? What are the new triangle sides?
I just multiplied each side by 1.5, and then
Correct.
I multiplied everything.
Why would you multiply? What is perimeter of a triangle,
Oh,
Arnav?
never mind, never mind.
Oh my goodness. Sanvi, where did you go wrong, Sanvi? Did you multiply everything by 1.5?
no, I added 1.5.
Oh, you added. I told you just now it's a multiplicative relationship. Proportionality, similarity is all multiplicative relationship. There's no addition here. You got it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. I think all of you got it, I think. Let me
Miss
see if any. Yeah, ma. Go ahead.
it's like Pythagorean theorem, like you know that problem.
This is not Pythagorean theorem, ma.
No, like it's like the problem you put a lot for Pythagorean theorem.
But this is nowhere related to that.
Yeah, I'm just saying like it's like
True, yeah. Can I go ahead and give you more? Okay.
Priya,
What I, yeah, ma?
is one other way that you can find the perimeter, and if it's proportional, is you can add up all the sides and then multiply by 1.5.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
what I
great.
explained.
I like that. Anirudh, I really like that. That's why I said perimeter is also proportional. Good job, Avyuk. Very nice. Can I go ahead and give you the next one, guys? Amma, can I go ahead and give you the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Let me give you this problem. Okay. Okay. Now you're all going to try by yourself. Okay. No shouting out answers. You're all going to send it to me. Prisha, did you get it, Prisha?
I can't see the problem. Oh,
No,
never
no,
mind.
no. Go ahead. Slowly send it in.
sorry.
Take your time, guys, but I would like you to. Ma, if it's noisy, just mute yourself. It's okay if it's noisy, but just mute yourself. Wow. Dhruv, good job, Dhruv. Looks like you have got a hang of it. Dhruv, how are you doing in school, Dhruv?
I'm doing good.
Nice.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Not really, Danvi. Anish, correct me. Hey, Priyanka, can you please check Priyanka? You, I don't know, somewhere you are halving the answer. I don't know why you get it like that. Avyukt, I think it's a mistake. It's a computational error. Do you want to redo? Ishan, I want you to redo. See what is asked. Please read the question. What is the actual height of the tree? Prisha, how can it be 400, ma? Did you do a sanity check? Always perform a
Sorry.
sanity. No, no problem, Prisha, but I'm just making fun. So how can it be 400?
Wait,
I
what do
clicked
you
the
mean by
number a few. I hit the.
Riyanka, correct, ma. Sanvi, I don't round it. Can you resend? Sanvi, I want you to redo. You got it, but you're rounding it.
Miss
Ishan, no Ishan. Yes, ma. Avyukt, go ahead.
What do you mean by computational error?
Computation error means you're making some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division error. Can you redo? Prisha, correct, ma. Sanvi, that's not correct, Sanvi. First you put 40, now you're putting 39.8. Can you do it on the board, Sanvi? Arnav, that is incorrect.
I don't really get what I should put because I did 10.5.
No problem. Riyanka wanted to explain. Go ahead. Danvi, I'll give you the turn next. Go ahead, Riyanka. Riyanka.
She doesn't answer. Could I explain, please?
Yeah, go ahead, Anish.
Wait, could you write on it though?
Yeah, sure, Anish. Go ahead.
So first, they said I read the scale because it said that 0.5 centimeters equals to 3.75 meters. Okay. So then 0.5 multiplied by 10 is 5 centimeters. So
1
then,
minute, Anish, let me put it as a double bar. Scales are there, and then real measure is here. Okay.
yeah.
2 bars. Okay. Now, this is another way of solving this. Scale says 0.5 centimeter is what? 3.75 meter, correct? On the same area. 3.75 meter.
So
Now,
what I
what?
did is I multiplied by 10 on 0.5 and on 3.75 to get 5 centimeters.
Wait, 5.4 centimeter. They're asking. I don't know this value, right? I have to find out this value. How to find this? What have they done? That's going to be a little hard, right? So from here, whatever is unknown, I have to go from the known value. But how to go there? What did they do? From 0.5, they went to 3.75. So what can I do about this? I can write a ratio. 0.5 divided by 3.75 will be equal to 5.4 divided by x. So 0.5x will be equal to 3.75 times 5.4. Now divide by 0.5, divide by 0.5. So what happens here? Multiply by 10, multiply by 10, 3.75 times 54 divided by 5. So this becomes 0.75. 0.75 times 54 is 40.5.
How could I tell how I did it?
Sure.
So first there's 0.5 which equals to 0.5 which equals to 3.75. So then I put 5.4. So I split into two parts, 5 and 0.4. So for 5, I just multiplied both of them by 10, and then 3.75 multiplied by 10 is 37.5. So
Good
then
job.
for 0.5, it's like 0.4 by 0.5. So then that's, if you do the percentages, then it becomes that's 80% of 3.75. So I multiplied that by I multiplied 3.75 with 80%, and then I got 3. So then 37.5 multiplied by 3, I'm sorry, plus 3 equals 40.5.
That's nice, Anish, but I don't want to make it more complicated. Let's do the easier way, okay? So, how about anybody else has a question on this? Who has a question on this?
But I would just want to tell how I did it. It was in a different way.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Go ahead.
So I knew 0.5 to the ratio of 33.75 would equal to 5. Wait, 375 divided by 5.
That's fine. But you got the same answer, right?
Yeah, I got the
Your
same.
procedure seems to be correct though.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Anirudh, did you understand how to do?
Can I explain the next one?
Yes. Anirudh, I called you. You weren't there for the explanation, Riyanka.
Oh, I was in the bathroom.
No problem. Okay. I'm glad because I saw your video. You didn't switch off your video, which was very useful. Now, guys, can I go ahead and give you the next problem? Danvi, why is your video off? If you're in class, I would expect the video to be on completely, guys.
Miss Priya, my video is on.
Is on, but we are only seeing a black color thing.
No, it's because I'm using my computer and my iPad. I'm using my iPad for like the writing part because it's so hard to write on my computer.
That should not switch off the video.
No, I switched off my iPad's video, but my computer's video is on.
You know what? Danvi, I don't want you to log into 2 different logins. That seems too hard on me.
Okay.
Okay, I just want one login from you guys, 100%. See, there are 2 logins. It makes it very difficult for me.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Let me move on now. We'll discuss that later. Okay, ma. Now I want to explain. Give me 1 minute, okay? You're going to give me 1 minute, okay? Do you know? Do you know about a circle? Do you know how you measure? Okay, I'm going to tell you about a circle, okay? In a circle, do you know this is a center? If I want to say a circle with center R, this just tells you this is a symbol for circle with center R. Any questions here?
No.
What is this distance called?
Radius.
Radius.
Radius. From the center to one point on the circle. What is this distance called?
Diameter.
Diameter. Diameter.
And then like the whole thing is called the circumference.
What is the relationship between diameter and radius?
The radius
Diameter.
the diameter.
Radius is half of the 2 times the diameter.
No, diameter is 2 times the radius.
That is right. Radius is diameter divided by 2. Now, we don't call perimeter, right, of a circle. What do we call it as?
Circumference.
Circumference. Yeah. Circumference. You know, circumference is the perimeter of a circle.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't call.
Yeah.
Now tell me what is okay. Do you all know that be it a small circle or a big circle, come what may, okay, whether it's a big circle or a small circle, circumference divided by diameter is always the same number for this circumference divided by diameter. So this
pi.
I know it. I know.
It's always pi.
It is always pi. Did you know that?
3.14.
I said
But there's more.
It's 3.2. It's like infinite.
It's 3.14159. But we usually just use 3.14 because it's shorter.
Why did you say the
Everything is agreed. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. All of you answer in chat, don't shout out.
22 by 7?
Please answer in chat. No 22 by 7, 3.14. Okay, please don't change it to fractions. How many diameters are, please answer in chat, don't shout out, are present in the circumference of a circle? How many diameters are present in the circumference of a circle? Quick, ma.
I don't know.
Am I right?
Duru, please think, Duru, whatever we discussed. Prince, you have to think. No, yeah, I'm glad you're guessing and answering. But you can think. We discussed something. Check.
Wait, I think
Oh, Dhruv, good job. You got it.
I think
Anish, Arnav, you got it. Others, I really want you to think and send some answer. I don't know is an answer.
I know.
Send in chat, ma. Riyanka, correct. Sanvi, no, it's not infinite. See the equations written on the board. That itself should answer. Why Avyukt and Prisha, it's 2? Can you explain your thinking? It's okay to go wrong. It's okay to go wrong. I respect your thoughts. Go ahead.
I was thinking about how circumference is 2 pi r, but then
Correct.
so
From the,
I was
C equal
thinking.
to 2 pi r. Okay. Let's do that. C equal to 2 pi r, correct. 2r is d. D times pi. So what I'm asking is, how many, see, when you say how many 3s are in 6, you say 2, right? I'm asking how many diameters are there in circumference?
So 1, because since
One. No. How many diameters are there in circumference? See, divide by d on both sides. It's going to become 1. Divide by d. How many diameters in circumference? Answer is?
3.14.
So when you take the diameter, okay, when you take the stick, let's say you take the stick, okay, and wind it around the circle, right? There will be 1, and then you can do 1 more of this, and then you can do 1 more of this. And after you do this, there will be 0.14 of that, meaning a small bit will be there here. There'll be 3 of that, and then 0.14 of that. You got it? Now, do you see
still don't get how you got 0.14.
Because see, 3 holes and 3.14 is what, Avyuk? 3 and 0.14, right? So 3 diameters and 0.14 of the diameter. You'll have 3 full diameters and you'll have some small component of it or a piece of it. That is 0.14 of it.
Because it's a circle but not square?
Exactly, because it's, because the C by D, the ratio of C by D is always pi. Okay, now let me go ahead and tell you this. C equal to pi D. Do you see this is the multiplier here? Can I say the diameter and circumference are always proportional? Diameter and circumference
Yes.
are proportional. Does it make sense to say that? Because the multiplier is pi.
Yeah.
Do you guys
So
get it?
it'll always be pi. Probably. That's why it's always proportional.
Yeah, it is proportional. So let me go ahead and show you this one as well. How about this, guys? I want to draw and show you this one, meaning, see, how about this, guys? I want to show the relationship between diameter, see, circumference and diameter. I'm putting a table. Okay, the diameter is 2, circumference is 6.28. The diameter is 3, the circumference is 9.42. Diameter is 4, the circumference is 12.56. The diameter is 5, the circumference is 15.7. So basically, D is the diameter, means pi times the diameter is your circumference. If I plot it into a graph right on the right side, see, if I plot it into values, diameter and circumference on the x and y axis, right? Do you see it forms a line? It's a proportional relationship. Proportional relationship means it will represent a line and it will pass through 0, 0. Diameter is 0, circumference is 0. Guys, did you all get it? Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so wait, let me see. For 7.5 A, B, C, we are done, right? So now, let me see, guys. Give me a minute, okay? You're going to give me 1 minute. Let me give you some questions. Five ABC is what you need to work on this week. Next week, maybe I can talk, I can do simple.
Auntie, you said I would get to explain a question.
Yes, I will get it for you. Now, anyway, we are going to work on more similarity and the circle-based similarity questions for today. Riyanka, the next one you can do, ma. Meaning, after solving, you can explain it on the board. Does it make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Let's try that one. You know what? You guys should be having a test next week, but let's see what to do. I'll give maybe for half of the class. I'll look at it later, okay? You should be anytime ready to take a test in my classes. You got it, particularly during the end of the
Wait, we have a test
yeah, positively, yes.
this in this class?
Yeah, I don't know yet, but I will let you know.
Wait, when
Okay.
where do I have a class? The test.
Maybe next week.
In school?
I'll let it here.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead, guys.
F-E. I'm sending my answer. Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Oh, wow, Anish, that's right. Prisha, you need to check, Amma. Please
Also,
think. See, take the Anish, let me finish, Anish. Take the left side. EF by DF, is that correct? See the order. EF by DF, is that correct? EF by DF. They are comparing the last two letters in the first and the last letter. So BC by AC should be there. Okay. Oh, Prisha, that's right. See, I gave you FG. Prisha, okay, Dhanvi correct, Arnav correct, Prisha correct. Dhruv, can you check Dhruv? Avyukt correct. Prince correct, ma. Anirudh correct. Dhruv, can you check? I don't want you to be careless, Dhruv, honestly. Riyanka as well. Sanvi, I didn't get your answer. Riyanka, Ishan, Sanvi. Good job, Sanvi. Riyanka, I want you to look at it. Riyanka, Dhruv, Ishan. Riyanka, Dhruv, Ishan. I will wait. Riyanka, Dhruv, Ishan. Dhanvi, did you send them? Dhruv, I want you to explain it on the board, Dhruv. I'm really feeling bad about this. Go ahead. Then I did not. Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, I
Miss
thought
Priya, did
that
I get it?
basically, so if like you flip it, it should look like this.
Hmm.
Oh, it should look like it should look like this.
See, that's what I'm saying. See, Dhruv, when you look at the triangle, it's very confusing sometimes. Can you follow this, the order?
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for you. Because see, you can flip it provided you do the right flip.
So
Uh-huh.
if it's A, so it can't be this one since it's A, B, and D, E are proportional, and it's not.
Correct. Then AC is proportional to what? DF. Correct? AC
AC.
and DF. AC, if you take it, if AC is in the numerator, DF should be in the numerator.
Oh,
You see what I mean?
yeah.
Proportional side should be in the same place. AB. AB means it should be DE should be in the numerator. Yes, it is. See, AB on this side is in the numerator. DE and BC can be interchanged, right?
Yeah.
So DE will also be in the numerator. But how about BC? BC means EF should be there, but DF is there. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So G is incorrect or correct?
I can see the answers. Is G the last one?
G, the last one now. Why you can't see the answer? It's on the board, right?
Because my annotation thing was blocking. No, G isn't right. It's F.
F is the answer. Good job, guys. Okay, Ishan, I didn't get your answer. Why, Ishan?
I sent it. I said F.
Riyanka, did you send it, ma?
See?
Yeah, I did.
Yes.
I did send it.
Yes, I saw. Just now I saw you guys sending. Okay,
Miss Priya,
that's good. Yeah, ma. Go ahead.
can I get my charger?
What is it?
Can I get my charger?
Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, I'm going to give you another one, a practical application you're going to do. Okay. You're going to do and tell me. Okay. Can I make it harder on you guys? No, I don't want to make it harder on this one. Maybe the next one I'll make it harder. Okay, Riyanka, if you get this right, you can explain, ma. Priyanka has been asking to explain. I didn't give her the time. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I've also been asking to explain, but I never got to.
Sure, then we just hold on. Next one.
Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
could you just tell me what was your trick again? You can use random numbers, but could you just teach me what trick you used again?
Definitely. Wait. Prisha, Riyanka, correct. Ishan, correct. Dhruv, did you already send the answer?
No.
Oh, Prisha only sent. The others didn't send. I'm waiting.
I sent my
Priyanka,
answer.
good job. Yes, your answer is correct. You can explain. Wait, Amma, 1 minute. We'll get more answers and then you can go ahead, Riyanka. Is it okay?
Yes.
Is my answer correct?
Okay, Amma. See, on the homework. Okay, that's nice. At least you submitted, is it? Did you submit Danvi?
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Miss Priya, I submitted already.
Yes, I saw. Good job. At least see, if I'm able to see your work, at least that way I'm happy, you know. It is not, yeah.
This time
No,
I
it's-
think different, Miss Priya, because
Riyanka, Prisha, Ishan, correct. Arnav, it's incorrect. Avyukt is incorrect. Riyanka, do you want to explain? Riyanka, you can go ahead and explain. Go ahead, ma'am.
So basically what
I
I
did my
did
addition.
was I did 24. Can you write it for me?
Mm-hmm.
So firstly, I made like a proportion. I did 7 over 18,
Mm-hmm.
and then I did
7 over 18. Okay, wait. Okay, let's understand how she did it. 7, the base by the slanted. 7 over 18 on this side will be equal to what?
D over 24.
Avyuk, did you get it?
So then I did 24 divided, then I did 24 divided by 18,
Mm-hmm.
which got me, here, can I check? Give me a minute.
Yeah, take your time. If you're explaining, take your time, do it. Anish, where is your answer?
I don't understand how to do it.
Okay, no problem. I'll help you.
I got, 1 point, like 1 and 1/3. And then I did 1 and 1/3 times 7, which gave me 9.33333 repeated. And then I rounded it to 9 feet and 9
Good
feet and
job.
4 inches.
Very nice. So Anish and Avyukt, I want to explain it for you guys. Anirudh, are you listening? See, the slanted line divided by the base 18 by 7 is the same as 24 by D. Then cross multiplication works, right? The sides are proportional, right? Because literally the ladders, see, for trimming the branches of a tree, they used two different ladders. So basically they are proportional. This triangle is proportional to this triangle.
I understand.
Similar. So the cross multiplication works. 18 times D equal to 7 times 24. Divide by 18 on both sides. So your D answer is 9.33333, which is nothing but 9 feet 4 inches. Did you guys get it? Okay. So for this week,
I want to know why you're dividing on both sides.
Because it's an equation solving, right? Avyuk, 18 by 7 will be equal to 24 by D. It's just solving equations. 18 times D will be equal to 24 times 7. I have to have D, the variable only on this side, right? So it is being multiplied by the variable. So you divide it to remove that. You got it? Any questions? Any questions? Anvi, did you understand? Can I stop here, guys? I will stop here. I already posted the homework. Homework has 38 questions. Please spend enough time on the homework and make sure everybody submits it next week. It is quite important.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a nice week ahead. See you next week.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Avyuk, did you understand? You did so much better today. I really loved it. Did you understand as well?
I mean, yeah.
Very nice.
Questions wrong.
What is it?
I got a few questions wrong.
Oh, that doesn't. See, if you get every question right, then this class is not a fit for you. You have to move on to the next class. You got it? You have to make some mistakes. Then only you're learning in this class. I consider it that way. You see, if you get everything right, then you don't belong to this class. You see what I mean? That is important to see that you make mistakes and learn. You got it? Bye-bye. See you next week.
You too. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.